it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Good morning and happy Sunday. Wanted to share with you guys the printable coupons that became available this morning. So there are quite a few printable coupons. They're absolutely free. The website that you go onto is coupons.com. So I always have that linked in the description box of all of my videos. They're absolutely free. You don't have to sign up. Nothing like that. You just click them and then you can print them. So first they have some Kellogg's $1 off 2 printable, which is awesome. We have some good deals on Kellogg's at Walgreens. They are $1.99. So if you print out this coupon, you can get 2 at $1.49 each, which would be a really good price point. Excuse me. We have, these are new, the Glade plugins or the $1 off 2. If you want to go ahead and get those printed. $1 off 1 Listerine Ready tabs. That is a good deal. Sometimes we'll have some deals at CVS and we don't usually get a lot of Listerine coupons. So you'll definitely want to get that one printed as well. Scrubbing bubbles. We have $3 off 1 3-pound bag of Bella Purina. $2 off any 2 stationery products. That is always good to print out. Unfortunately, we got this now and that Walgreens deal for the buy one, get one free is gone, but hopefully they'll come around with another deal for us. $2 off any 1 Eucerin. Let's see what else is new. $2 off any 1 L'Oreal Paris Elvive treatment. So it's only on these little treatments. It's not going to be on the shampoo or conditioner, but that is definitely a good one to print out. $2 off 1 L'Oreal Paris lip product. $1 off 1 Biore. We're getting this in the Sunday paper as well. Jergens Natural Glow, $1.50 off 1. We are getting a $1.50 printable off Love, Beauty, and Planet. Go ahead and get that one printed. We are getting the buy one, get one free coupons in today's inserts, which of course are a way better value. But at the end of the day, these are completely free and you can print them right from your computer. $1.50 off 1 Curel. $3 off any 1 Dulcolax. $3 off any 1 Jergens body wash. So I hope we get a good deal on the Jergens body wash. I've never tried it and I'd like to give that a shot and see how I like it. $3 off 1 Covergirl eye product. That is awesome. $1 off 1 Jergens moisturizer. $2 off 1 Covergirl lip product. Covergirl is on sale, I believe. Spend $15, get a $5 at CVS. And we have the printable version, so excited, for the L'Oreal Paris, because I know my inserts don't have these, and I wanted to do that deal today. So it's a 3 off 2. $2 off any 1 for the L'Oreal Paris skincare. That is on sale, spend 30, get a 10, and you can use that $3 instant coupon for the L'Oreal Paris deal if that's the one of the 3 that you choose. $1 off any 1 for the Garnier. $3 off a face product. We have $2 off 1 Fancy Feast if you use that for your cats. $2 off 1 for the L'Oreal Paris eye product. Maybelline, this was in my must-do deals. You can also use that $3 instant coupon on the Maybelline if you want. So this is a $1 off 1. You would use 2 of these, get 2 of those eyeshadows, and it's a nice little money maker to get started. What else? Okay, I think that is it. Let's go to Saving Star. We always want to check our new rebates, see if anything has popped up. So I just go to savingstar.com, or of course, you can check it from your mobile app. So all of these I already have activated. That's what the check mark is. They always have a healthy offer as well, which is awesome. So sometimes it's bananas, sometimes it's broccoli, this time it's oranges. So if you buy any oranges, you can get 25 cents back. So that's always a good initiative to get some healthy food. Chobani, we've had a lot of Ibotta rebates. That's why I have that one clicked. It's $1 back when you buy 5. So we had rebates on the Chobani singles and on the Chobani flip. So that might be a good deal to definitely activate just in case you pick up 5 of those. $3 on the Love Good Fats. They're $6.98 at Walmart. There was a $3 checkout 51 offer, but that went so fast. So you'd only get $3 back, so it's almost half off. Voss flavored sparkling bottles. It does expire in 4 days, so it'll expire on Wednesday, so keep that in mind. Always check the expiration dates. Usually on Saving Star, the expiration dates are really long, so these are like March 18th, and I've already had these clipped for probably 2 weeks. So it's usually like a month long, which is awesome. Green Giant frozen cauliflower pizza. I already have that one activated. I tried to make a cauliflower pizza at home once. Awful. It just, oh my god, it did not turn out well at all. Okay, so no new rebates for me. If you're new to Saving Star, my link will be in the description box. So you can click and submit any of these. So all you have to do to add a rebate is just click this little plus sign, and bam, it's activated. Simple as that. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you guys drop a comment. I'm going to head over to CVS, pick up my inserts, and start putting together what I'm going to do for my haul today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.